In this lesson, I will explain to you Format Painter, which you can find out in the clipboard group by clicking the Home tab. So see here, I have this table. The name of the table is sales data and I have 5 different columns and the data is there. If I want to make the same table here by starting the employee ID number 111 means 111 to 120, then it will be time consuming to do this formatting again and again. So the best way is you have to first select the data, right? Keep in mind, whatever function you have to perform in Microsoft Excel, you have to select the data first. First way is select your data with the help of mouse. Second way is just click on the first cell where you want to start to select your data. Press the shift key on your keyboard and then click on the last cell. Your whole table is selected. Click on the Format Painter and suppose you want to make a second table here, so just click it. So you will see the exactly same formatting is there. When I will write down at the top sales data, you will see exactly same formatting is there. 26 is the font size and Aharoni is the font. If I will click here to show you same font and font size is there. Now if I want to write down employee ID, see it is purple and 16 is the font size. Calibri, if I will click here, font and font size both are same. So now you can start working very easily. How simple it is, right? Now, the second way is I am going to delete this. The second way is you can format the same table here or wherever you want with the help of your keyboard. So these are the 4 steps you have to follow. First of all, what you have to do not forget to select the table, and then first step is Control plus C on your keyboard where you want to make a formatting. I said here. Second step is Shift plus F10. So Shift and F10, then you can have this menu open. So do not worry about it, okay? Just follow the steps. Third step is S, fourth step is R. Press S on your keyboard and then R on your keyboard and formatting is there. Now you can work on your table. How simple it is, right? Okay, another very important feature I am going to show you. See here in this table we have mix and match different formatting. See, this is bold Calibri and 16. If I will click here, it is Calibri and 11. You want to make the same formatting, so one way is just click here on Honda, right? And then anywhere, not in Honda, anywhere, wherever you want, because same everywhere we have the same formatting. Here Format Painter one time and then apply on your table, right? Sometime it happens that you said no, I want only on few cells this formatting, I do not want on each and every cell. So another way is 80,000, right? Click on this format one time. When you will click one time, it will allow you to change the formatting of the cell only one time. This one is. Now what about 2010? What about this? Again you have to click on Format Painter and here. Again you have to click here and come back here. It is again time consuming, right? Again and again you have to click on Format Painter. So the easiest way is click 2 times on Format Painter. 2 times. See, 2 times. Now wherever you want, you can change your data, right? Suppose here you do not want to change, in some cells you want to change, so it is easy now, right? I can make changes on everywhere. So 2 times, when you will click 2 times, then you will see at the end still you have this brush. One time it disappears automatically, every time you have to click on Format Painter, but in 2 times you have this brush. So what you have to do in order to get rid of this brush, press the escape key on your keyboard or only click one time on your Format Painter, it's gone. Right? Okay, now I will show you one more thing. I have 2 more sheets. If you see sheet 1, I have this kind of data. In sheet 2, I have this type of data. You said I want to apply the same formatting there. right? So do not select this line, make it yellow, bring it in the center. No, do this is time consuming. Select your data two times, click two times format painter. Now you can apply formatting wherever you want. Even you have 100 sheets, not only one sheet, right? Wherever you want, just paste this. So this is the same formatting, but when you will click two time, keep in mind you have the brush at the end. So how to get rid of this brush? Press the escape key. I am pressing escape key this time, and that method is click the format painter one time. See, still I am pressing the escape key, it's gone. So see how simple it is. Though this is about the format painter. So now you have to subscribe my channel, please. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.